Okay, so this is gonna be a roller coaster surprise that you'll see from me, Leo, and the Lego factory. Every night, these have been explored for years, manufactured by scientists and humans, where they will come from. And this is the roller coaster. And here is the disaster. And then we have this roller coaster. And then we have this giant bucket. And then this tiny thing down here. It works. It works like a real mechanism. Every day, every night, this place has been explored for the most funnest roller coaster ride. The parking lot, which have been influenced, and lots of bad guys have been taking over it. This is the most exciting moment. The Flash meteorite! And here's Saturn that is broke. He's broken. Okay. Now here goes with this. This is an asteroid mechanism. And let's see how these guys roll. And then it's gone. Now let these guys flow with each other and then zoom! As the rocket flies, it will drop down over a magnificent kaboom. And here's a mini rocket. Yep, it's the same with that. That is a Lego set. And there's a mini one right over there that you might not see. And then here's Broken Saturn said, right there. And then there's a mini rocket right there. And this is a generator that powers all the electricity. And here, a flower pot. People can garden while in space. That's in the moon. And then this guy is picturing. And then here is a pole. And then there's some leftover poles that someone will not want to eat. Oh yeah, that's a Rubik's. And then this is one. Not much people because it's late. But then it's gonna turn daytime in just a single flash. There, magic. And then, so I am framing this all by myself. And then he's looking sus, bro. Here's this guy. This is the sus guy that. Yo, sus. Bro. This is sus, okay? One. Okay. And then he's a security guard. Oh. Hey, where is he, bro? Oh yeah, that guy. That's not, I swear, that's not a dog. I swear. His hands are like a dog, but he's not actually a dog. Look. Looking sus, bro. And then, here's this mini rocket. And then this camera is influencing bad guys. It just rang because it's so bad guy. Let's go. It's going a little sus. Ooh. Bruh. Okay, so let's watch this guy glow again. So beautiful. It's really like the Demon Slayer, like the green guy, the main character. Yeah, I haven't watched that yet. Just watch part 1 and part 2. Yeah, and then here's the frame. You can buy this if you live in Japan, and it's a bit cool because it literally takes me 43 minutes. Okay? This is how much it's going to take 2 days. Like, it's so cool. Yo, that's literally money. I was about to make it as a video game. Let's go. Let's go. Looking sus, boy. Face. Okay, so here, this is how I made it. Then, sus, bro. Here, so for this truck, I did make these 2 tires, and you can use any tire. I'm gonna make it more advanced than me because I have just random Lego bricks. Yeah, you should. This is from. So this front is from Weird Trucks on the Move, and then I just destroyed it. So now it looks like this. Wait. Okay. Wait. That's the same truck. Wait. No, it isn't. Okay, so that's the food truck, and then here's the food inside here. And then, it's been 7 minutes already. And then there are 2 attractions in here. I mean, 2 cups in here. So here's 1. And here's number 2. It's a bit hard to find because it's blended in the moon color right here. Oh, dang it. Dead. It's looking dead. Okay, good. Sus. In total 8 minutes. Then here's this tiny sports car from. Shoot, it's not in Lego. So here's flying Earth. Here's our planet territory, and then this is where kids need to go with parents and stuff. Bruh. I just used this as a character. Yeah, that's the mini. And then here goes, so they walk into here, and then they pay the money. Take it. And then they'll walk from here, and then there will be plenty of people. And then let's do it again. Bruh. And if you've seen after part 1, these little guys glow. Here, you wanna see? And a flash of light. There. See, they glow. It's a bit stuck because. Okay, I'm just in a regular old house, and here. And then, yeah. And then this I used as like, bro, what? Huh? Why, bro? Okay, so this also is It's like a donkey move, but then you just crash through it. Like, completely weird. Here, I'm gonna make one fast. Here, here's a basketball and then someone. Go. Oh my god. And then, that's a lot of talking. I'm a bit tired. It's literally 10 minutes. Like, I've never done anything like this. This is literally torture day. My hand is like so tired. Look. Oh my god. It's so red. Oh. But as I said, this is a very fun video, and if you want to watch this video, then you must subscribe. Because I only just broke YouTuber. I do have $6 million. Okay, I'm not from Vietnam now, but I am, and I promise you a lot. Okay, I'm looking, sweating. I'm literally sweating. Yes, I am losing a lot of teeth. Look, about to break off. It's not fully broke, bro. This just started growing. Okay, I'm gonna use this sassy logo tooth. Okay, now I gotta apply some toothpaste onto here. And then let's go. Looking sus. Looking sus. Healthy teeth. Ah. Okay, now back to the talking. You can't go into this spot. If you do that, then I'll just smack your butt out to space. Like, smack your butt all the way over there. Okay? Okay, it's just fictional. I'm not actually gonna do this, just Lego. Look, let's go. It's like this. Let's go. Yep, he's kind of dead. Wait, yo, he's not even dead. He's still falling. Look, he's falling up to Saturn. Bruh. Okay, now this is a smiling face with one whole entire eye. I swear, that's not even a face. Bro, this guy's vomiting. Wake up, wake up, wake up. He's literally tied there. Trying to get off. Yo, let's go here. I'm gonna use this stupid bad guy and then. Oh my god! Look at this. I literally did this. Go! Oh my god! Wait, Sesame looking. Yeah, I don't think this is a really good idea to fall down. Let's go, bro. He's looking sussy. That's sus looking. That's sus looking. And as you know, my name is Leo, and you're literally watching Leo and the Lego Factory, that new channel. And I'm just only 7 years old. I'm sorry, I said 6. I'm just half-in. I made so much. Literally,
how many minutes was that? Sounds really long.
It's nearly 15 minutes.
Oh my gosh. Maybe we need to cut off.
Why?
Because that's too long to upload. We can